Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Imagine you are planning a big project, organizing a team meeting, or brainstorming new ideas. You are juggling sticky notes, whiteboards, and endless documents. What if there was a way to streamline all of this into clear, professional diagrams in just minutes? That's where Wondershare eDraw Max comes in. It is a powerful mind mapping software. In this video, we will explore all the amazing AI features that Wondershare eDraw Max offers, including AI chat, converting chat to mind maps, and more. The download link of this software is available in the video description. After installation, you will see the interface like this. Here you can see we have thousands of templates to choose from. eDraw Max offers over 200 plus types of diagrams, including flowcharts, mind maps, organizational charts, and more. With AI power tools, creating and editing diagrams has never been easier. Plus, you have access to over 10,000 free templates to jumpstart your project. eDraw Max supports multi-format compatibility, allowing you to import and export files in formats like Visio, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and more. If you want to create flowchart with the help of AI, this is really cool features that allows you to create flowcharts instantly. Just ask the AI chat to create a flowchart for you and it will do it for you. You don't need to know anything about flowcharts to use the AI flowchart features. Just tell the AI what you want in your flowchart and it will do the rest for you. For example, I want to create a flowchart of handling a customer service request. Now you can customize the flowchart by adding or removing shapes, connecting shape with arrows, and editing the text in the shapes. Once you are happy with the flowchart, you can save it or export it to a variety of formats. If you go to the mind map section, you can create mind maps with the help of AI. One of the most exciting features of eDraw Max is its AI chat. This allows you to have conversation with the software and it can generate mind maps, flowcharts, tables and other diagrams for you. For example, I want to plan marketing campaign and it will write about it, allowing you to generate a mind map or table based on your input. This is a great way to organize your thoughts and ideas from a chat conversation. Once you have generated a mind map or table, you can easily edit the text, topic, subtopic. You can add symbols. You can insert image here. You can insert numbering. You can add shapes here. And you can beautify the text. Here we have different options like style. You can change the mind map style. Here we have different styles. Select the one you like. You can also change the layout. Here we have different layout options. Select the one you like. You can also change the connector styles, branch fill. You can change the branch line. You can change the theme color, theme font and rainbow. Next we have A list option. A list in eDraw Max is a powerful feature that allows users to quickly generate and organize lists with the help of AI. Whether you are creating to-do lists, projects plans, or brainstorming ideas, A list streamlines the process by automatically structuring your content into clear, organized formats. These features enhance productivity by saving times and ensuring that your lists are easy to manage and update. You can also edit the text. Next we have AI chat feature. AI chat is an innovative feature that lets you interact directly with the software to generate diagrams, mind maps and charts. You can also chat with your documents. This feature allows users to interact with their documents using AI by simply asking questions or giving commands with the chat. You can extract the information, summarize content, or even edit text based on the document's data. This feature streamlines the process of working with complex documents, making it easier to manage information, create visuals, and enhance productivity. Next we have AI drawing feature. AI drawing features allows you to generate image based on text descriptions. Here we have different styles like symbols, stickers and images. You can generate symbols, stickers and images. If I click on image icon, here we have different modes like original, landscape, watercolor, ink, anime, science, etc. So I click on original and describe about the image you want to create. I want to create a pictures of Chinese old wise man, and select the ratio and select the quality and click on start creating. And wait a minute here. You can see it has generated the image as per the prompt. You can share or download this into your PC. So this is a great way to convert your text into image. I have been using eDrawMax for my projects and the productivity boost is incredible. You can try Wondershare eDrawMax yourself and see the difference it can make in your productivity. The download link is available in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Comment down below if you have any question and I will see you in the next video.